You know, I think the buzzword right here, if I'm going to have to say one area, is 1099s. And what I mean is every aspect of 1099s. People just don't realize, since it hasn't been until recently reported, that there are any reporting requirements. So we were discussing earlier, just starting to get 1099Ks, which for those of you who don't know the term off the top of your head, it's usually the same statement you get from a credit card or a merchant account that shows gross transaction value. So you're not getting the gains and losses. We're not seeing cost bases being tracked like is required in a traditional brokerage. So there's a lot of it that we have to be concerned about, and how do we keep the records? So both the records coming in, 1099s that we receive, whether it be 1099Ks like now, or I would have to be under the assumption that over time, the brokerages will have to issue something more like a 1099B or a 1099 div, and this starts to get into interesting areas. So, you know, will your next fork show up on the 1099 div form? I think at this point we don't know, but I would have to believe that over time, the answer is probably going to be yes. The level of reporting now at the 1099Ks and gross transaction value is at best and at very best a way for them to run the matching program and see if the reporting is right.
And and as of right now, correct me if I'm wrong, that's only one exchange, right?
So far, it's only one exchange doing it. It's Coinbase and Coinbase's trading platform GDAX, which is doing it, GDAX. And effectively, those are the only ones. Now, Coinbase, again, I believe in my interpretation, it was probably the logical one to pursue because it's the most likely entry and exit point to US dollar fiat. It was one of the earliest, most accessible ones, and therefore it kind of became the home place of where you're going to initially buy your first Bitcoin and then sort of start trading from there. So.